Bitcoin price prediction, because right now my short trade is going perfectly. Institutions are actually shorting, and we can see that on the chart. But some people, one institution in particular, is trying to catch a falling knife. None other than Michael Saylor. We'll talk about it, but he's saying every time Bitcoin crashes, after he wipes his tears, he's saying, with Bitcoin investors' money, nice cheap Bitcoin, it is fine. This is what he says. You can see him right here eating his pizza. If you've seen the new photo, MicroStrategy has acquired an additional 5,445 Bitcoin for just 147 mil, holding right now 158,000 Bitcoin acquired at around 29k per Bitcoin. So pretty much they are locked at the 29k price. To be honest, I think he will make money on this investment. By the way, this video is not financial advice. I'm just a random dude on the internet, but over time. And I'll explain what is happening right now on my chart, what I believe will happen in the foreseeable future. And there's a few catalysts right here. There's a few areas that are very, very important, that a lot of people, a lot of big money are watching. Something that I've added to the chart is what I believe will happen to Bitcoin in 2023. So not just now, but in 2023 in general. We'll also go over some news. What I believe will happen right now is you will hit the like button. This is very important. After that, I believe retail over the next few weeks will target these stops right here, because a lot of people put their stops here or here. So institutions, will target retail stops right here, and then will probably slowly pump towards the upside to take this liquidity, because there's a lot of liquidity here, and everything will be dependent. Basically, all the stops for short sellers, if Bitcoin is going lower at one point before it goes higher at another point, all these stops right here, they need to be taken out first. Just like, look, before this dump right here, we had a stop loss hunt. It was not, we're all gonna make it. Can you see it? Can you spot it? Look, right? It's pretty clear to see. Look, stop loss hunt. Here you can see another stop loss hunt. So normally when I trade, if you've seen my other videos, I always wait for the stop loss hunt before even entering this trade, any trade. Look at this. Stop loss hunt, massive stop loss hunt, and then we pumped. Right. So it's always worth waiting for. Look, before this pump, what was happening? There were multiple stop loss hunts. So we have a stop loss hunt. Let's say this was the low, right? Then we have another stop loss hunt right here. And then we have another stop loss hunt. Right? So stop loss hunt after stop loss hunt. Might not be the most accurate lines, but it's very early in the morning, 6 a.m. Woke up. I will not be in the city today, so I had to do some updates. The most important updates is the falling knife catcher. This is basically Michael Saylor. He's trying to protect everyone. We'll talk about some news. I have some. Coinbase faces regulatory scrutiny as SEC objects to Celsius restructuring. I want to show you something. So pretty much on each of my videos, if you go to the description of the videos, you have some bonuses. I trade Bitcoin with close to zero fees on MXC. You can claim that. You can also claim 30k worth of bonuses. Link in the description down below for BITGET. So right now, what do we know? So here are the news. Coinbase faces regulatory scrutiny as SEC objects to Celsius restructuring. That's not good. The SEC recently filed an objection to crypto lender Celsius reorganizing plan, citing issues with Celsius' proposed deal with Coinbase. The deal could involve services at the center of the SEC's existing lawsuit against Coinbase, the regulator argued. In the September 22nd bankruptcy court filing, the SEC took issue with aspects of the latest Celsius plan revision that remain under seal. The plan apparently includes distribution service agreement with Coinbase. Coinbase faces SEC lawsuit over alleged unregistered securities offering. So this will be an issue they will be try to resolve. US shutdowns, assuming it doesn't run long, will slow, not cripple crypto efforts. This is a new analysis from CoinDesk, and basically experts suggest that the courts and the SEC will keep rolling if the government is shuttered, but an already sluggish interaction with federal officials may be slowed even further. The crypto industry's business in Washington is coming to a head just as looming congressional budget impasses could shut down an array of federal services next week. The industry's most urgent needs from the federal government include answers from the US Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, and the ETF. So that will be something that will keep you updated on when it comes to the Bitcoin chart. Love you with all my heart. See you next one. Subscribe if you are new. Bye.